Everyone should have the opportunity to read, learn, and work independently in a way that's accessible. For over 35 years, Dolphin Computer Access has been dedicated to improving accessibility for people who are blind, partially sighted, or have a neurodiversity such as dyslexia. Our assistive technology products empower thousands of people around the world to succeed in education and the workplace, and remain independent at home. SuperNova provides industry-leading magnification and screen reading, enabling people with sight loss to get the most out of their Windows computer or tablet. With support for hundreds of Windows applications, including Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, and many more, you can rely on SuperNova to help you achieve your goals. Easy Reader app opens a world of accessible books for people who are visually impaired or neurodiverse. Sign in to Talking Book and newspaper services from around the world and choose from millions of accessible titles to read to study or to read for pleasure. Guide Connect offers ease of use, helping people with sight loss to stay independent and stay connected with friends and family. With straightforward menu options, Guide Connect makes it easy to send emails, write documents, scan and read your post, explore web pages, and so much more. If you need help at any time, you can rely on our knowledgeable support team to assist you to get the most out of your Dolphin products. Find out how Dolphin could make a difference for you. Dolphin, making a difference.